Hello Mitro, welcome to my channel. Today we will make the evening scene. First, draw the basic lines of the drawing. I am making a boy looking at the sky. Take purple, red, white and black color and add water in colors. First color with the purple, then take white and red colors and overlap the colors to have transition colors. Add black on the bottom part and make the center lightest area. The bottom is dark and the upper area with purple, the darker side. By mixing white in all the layers, merge it smoothly and you will get the awesome background. Mix red and white color and add clouds in the scene. Now it's time to paint the subject. First outline the subject and then paint it. For making the background more beautiful, add some grasses. For grasses, use the black color. Add moon in the sky and some little stars. Now the painting is done. Try and enjoy. Thank you for watching.